Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is busy rolling out our optional bug fix release update for Windows 10, which they pushed out late yesterday in my region on the 22nd. And of course, optional updates are just that. They are optional unless you have this toggle turned on. And if you don't install the update now, it'll be rolled out as part of the Patch Tuesday update next month on the second Tuesday of November. Now for this month, for Windows 10 version 22H2, the update is KB5045594 and is more or less the same update I posted on when it was being finalized in preview a couple of days ago and has now made its way to the stable version. Now, first of all, we get a couple of highlights, 3 in total, which include one new feature that comes over from Windows 11, and then we get 2 printer fixes. So focusing on the new feature, which is on a gradual rollout. So Microsoft says this change might not be available to all users because it will roll out gradually. So I haven't received it yet, but it starts the rollout of the new account manager on the start menu. So I'm just going to use a screenshot I took over on my Windows 11 device. And this is, give or take, what it'll look like if it does roll out in your region with this update. So the new design, Microsoft says, makes it easy to view your account and access account settings. And to change to a different user, you would select the ellipsis or the 3-dotted menu next to sign out. Now, I haven't got that because I don't have any other users, but you get the general idea. And the sign out has also been moved now into the main body of the actual account manager, which I think is a nice move. Previously, it was hidden behind the ellipsis and the 3-dotted menu. So that's the new account manager on the start menu. And then something else just to mention is the lock command is now on the power menu. So Microsoft's moving that to the power menu if that feature does roll out with this update in your region, because the new account manager and moving the lock command are both on a controlled rollout. And then we get 2 multifunction printer fixes that are, according to Microsoft, highlights for this update. And the first one, just to mention these, is when you use a USB cable to connect to a multifunction printer, it prints specific network command text when you don't want it to. So that's the first fix. And a scanner driver failed to install when you use a USB cable to connect to an NVP multifunction printer. So those are 2 fixes that have rolled out for that. Now, those are the highlights, and because this is a non-security update, it includes some other quality improvements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. I'm just going to mention 4 of the fixes that have rolled out, which I think may be quite important to mention. There's a VM switch fix where a VM switch triggers a stop error, a blue screen of death, and this was also fixed over on Windows 11 23H2. So stop error, always good when blue screens of death are addressed. Apparently this occurred when you use load balancing and failover teaming with 2 virtual switches on a virtual machine VM. And then upgrading to Windows 11 has also received a fix where a race condition caused another stop error, 0x3b. So 2 blue screens of death have been addressed in this update, which is good news. Apparently this might occur when you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And then WebView 2 apps has also received a fix. Apparently they did not detect input from Xbox 360 and Bluetooth controllers. And then the last one is important because it's a known issue over on Windows 10, which is a known issue for Azure Virtual Desktop, which is a fix where you might see a black screen when you sign into AVD. You might also notice that you cannot sign out of your account. So that's quite an important fix, which is actually a known issue now that's been addressed with this update. Now, if you do decide to install the update, if we head over to WinVer, the About Windows menu and dialog, by typing in WinVer, this will open up the About Windows menu. And for Windows 10 version 22H2, after this update has been installed, OS build is sitting on 19045.5073. And we've had the Windows 10 optional update rollout now. We've had the Windows 11 23H2 optional update rollout, and we are still waiting for 24H2, which I'm sure if we don't get it later today, will roll out throughout the course and the rest of this week. So that's what's new in KB5045594 for Windows 10. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.